On va faire du coding aujourd'hui. We're coding today. I'm language swapping. I don't know why my titles are not updating. I'm sorry for confusing you. It's Monday, be productive with me is the wrong go live. What timing is this? Listen. We're trying new things. I'm seeing what times stick, you know? Throwing spaghetti at the wall. Oh, that's why. I was like, where's chat? They're gone forever. Uh-oh. We are going to do a little bit of Go coding today. I will start Rust probably soon-ish, but I want to do some just like easier stuff to start before I want to cry. You know what I mean? And we do have a little bit of music going on in the background. Let me know if it is too loud, too low. Hi, YouTube chat. Acknowledged. Huge. I didn't forget about you today. Wait, big day. Big day for YouTube. Not forgotten. Alrighty. It's a tad too low. Oh, you can't hear it? Doc says I'm code dependent. Oh my god. You're stupid. I like it. Thank you. I like the dad jokes. Happy birthday. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you so much. That's so nice of you. I get older every day. New day, new birthday. Oh. Smacking myself in the head. Bash, do you remember me? Hi, Shader. Let me see. I'm gonna look at your message history. Oh yeah, I remember. I remember your comment that said this stream a boo frequent. I'll behave. I recognize you from that. Watch out. Don't ask if I recognize you. I might pull up your chat history. Spooky. Whoa, Oscars. Wait, Oscars here making it rain. Oscars, thank you so much for 10 euros. Thank you, thank you. Wow, the European currency. Big win for me. Okay, my hair, okay, listen, I went live and then something happened. I don't know, something went wrong. All right, this is literally my first time touching any code in years. Okay, it's a little dramatic, but it's been a minute. All right, you're gonna go to 1. Is there anything else at 1? I won't know until I, sick. Okay. I don't know what this song is. Wait, hello? I starred this? I don't like this one. Is every day your birthday? What am I missing? If somebody wants to wish me happy birthday, I'm gonna let them wish me happy birthday. That's what I'm saying. Thank you. Thank you. Yo, Nordy, how's it going? No pointer. Do I remember me? It's a good question. Apple. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, am I dumb? Do I not know what currencies are? I don't know what is that. Wait, that one's pounds. Okay, wait, that one's pounds. Thank you very much for the 5 pounds. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. I guess we'll wish happy birthday all streams. That's exactly what No Pointer says. No Pointer started it. And now who am I to say no to a happy birthday message? I'm not built for that. I don't need to do that. All right. Oh, right. I wanted to... Okay, hold on. Oh, I also don't need to use that keyboard. What fun stuff have you been doing outside of coding? Or instead of coding, I have been touching grass, believe it or not. I know. Big day for the Emacs users, okay? Emacs user in the wild, maybe fake Emacs user. What have I been doing? Honestly, I've been being social. I've been seeing a lot of my friends. I've been seeing family. I've been out and about. Yeah, what else was I doing? Just relaxing, being introspective. You know, it was good. Sometimes you gotta slow her down and you gotta think and you gotta and you gotta regain some self-awareness. Okay, these are important things to do. So that's what I was doing. Any gaming? Okay, listen, you know I'm hard stuck on Pokemon Unite, okay? I finished last season as Master, okay? Every season I end it in Master's rank, okay? What can I say? I like children's games, apparently. I should actually play that game on stream because it is kind of funny how it's so like cartoonish and like clearly made for children, and yet I cannot help but be toxic in that game. Keith, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. Thank you. And Silver, thank you for the Prime a couple days ago. I don't remember if I thanked you for that one. Pokemon Unite is great. Okay, I think what I really like about Pokemon Unite is that it's contained to a 10-minute game, which is perfect because it's so immersive for those 10 minutes. So I find on days where it's like where things are kind of stressful and or like for a work break or something, you can't tell me that a 10-minute toxic game of Pokemon Unite is not going to be a good thing to slot in there. I will save for mommy in Discord. I forgot that I had those channel point redemptions, to be honest. Hi, Jojo. All right, let me get chat bigger so that I can keep up as much as possible. But yeah, I'm ready to be... I'll go talk about your comeback in my book. Thank you. I'll be forever envious of that GitHub lamp. Wait, really, Icarus? You want a GitHub lamp? Wait, maybe I should message them. Hey GitHub, can I have a lamp and then I'll sell it black market to you guys? Is Unite the MOBA? Yeah, it is. It's basically, it's like League of Legends, but turned Pokemon. Do you have any cool projects you're working on or have you, or have discovered through the interactions with people lately? Ooh. Well, I do have some projects that I have starred on. Oh my God. Hold on. I do have some projects that I've starred on GitHub. That's usually one thing that I do when I find interesting things. I'm like, hey, I've got a few different lists. In particular, I think the ones, honestly, all of them are just things that I find interesting. Okay. So you could look at my stars if you want. Wait. Oh, sick. It's working. Yeah. I think these were some cool ones. Oh, an elixir. For my elixir alter ego. Yo, Low Level, how's it going? Hi. Low Level, what's your stream? Do you have a stream schedule right now? Oh, Rio? This is for my Rust arc. Also, sorry I'm late. I was chatting with friends before stream and I got excited and I decided that I was gonna just keep you guys waiting forever. Not yet. I'm not even sure what to stream, honestly. Low level, do you want to play Pokemon Unite with me? Low level, hear me out. Wait, listen. I know we're both coders, but actually, low level, it could be kind of fun to like rate projects together. We can do gaming, and also if you want to collab and like we can check out different either people can like submit projects for us to look at, or we can go through some of the projects that I have starred but not really like looked at too heavily, and then we can chat, we can yap about it. It could be fun. Yeah. Low level already found the exploits in Pokemon Unite, probably. Good. Do I plan on doing any Lisp stuff? Oh, don't snipe me like that. I really would love to be a Lisp programmer, but I don't think this year is the year. I was gonna do a Haskell, and then, you know, I think hear me out. Hear me out. I think for the functional programming stuff, I need to first immerse myself in a functional programming community and then get FOMO that I don't understand what's going on. And then it'll draw me to, it'll force me to become extremely competent at that thing. I think that could do it. Hey Bash, do you have a real name? My legal name is Bash Bunny. In case you're trying to call the government on me. What does FOMO mean? The fear of missing out. Or feeling of missing out or something. Yeah. Not so daily reminder to try Orgrim. I do need to try Orgrim. That is on my task list. It's kind of low on the priority list right now, I'm gonna be honest. What's your favorite Pokemon to play with? I really thrive playing supports because I like being as annoying as possible. I'm a really good Sableye. I do like 40k damage on Sableye, which is crazy for a support. Not to brag or anything. I'm so stupid. I like Sableye. I like Comfey. I like I basically like being as annoying as possible. So any Pokemon that has like stuns, I really like them. So that's like Pikachu or Ninetales or who else? I'm really good at Slowbro. I mean, it's always fun playing like the squishy guys too. The ones that just do an insane amount of damage. Is Bash your fave language or something? Is it yours, Mac? When you say Ninetales, I hear Naruto. I feel you on that. How come the break from programming? I also assumed you were a dev as a job. I quit my job and then I took a unintentional 3-month break. It was meant to be like a month and a half, and then, you know, life happens. Yeah, it was supposed to be like a month and a half, and then life happens, and then I'm back in January. So we're gonna be a little bit slow, a little bit rusty. I don't quite remember what I was working on in this project, but it'll be great. I do actually also want to. What do you mean? Oh, I'm just silly. Oh, and also this is connected. I don't need to do that. Yeah. So it's kind of just one of those things. Oh my God. You installed Asahi on a brand new MacBook? That is bold of you. My voice is in sync. Is it shocking to you? Bash versus a POSIX compliant SH. Who would win in your book? What do you mean? Bash is POSIX compliant. I will be honest though, I'm loving Fish, which is not POSIX compliant. I think that Fish wins out for personal shell choice. The personal shell of choice, I think, is Fish. The reason being, it wins so hard in interactive mode. And I feel like that's mostly what you're doing for personal stuff, and or even its like scripting language is very readable. It doesn't have a lot of like the weird bash isms or a lot of like the legacy behavior, syntax, whatever that it has to maintain like bash. Performance wise, it's better than ZSH. And I would say like the biggest downside is the fact that it's not POSIX compliant, which means it doesn't work great if you're doing a lot with bash, meaning if you're doing a lot of like cloud computing and or like server admin stuff, whatever, it's not really like you can like reuse your fish shell scripts to do anything super useful. Because you'd have to install fish on that, and that just doesn't make any sense. But if you're doing it for personal stuff, I think that's great. Hi, I'm new here. Are you a programmer? Yeah. And we'll be doing some dev today. I do have to remember, oh, you know what? I think I need to bring over some of my blog posts that are on a different machine. Let me put them in a private repo and clone them so that I can use them for development on my other machine. Oh wait, I do have that there? Oh, hold on. Shader says the borrow checker is based on... You're allowed to post links in the chat. POSIX compliance was never that meaningful. I mean, it is still, I think it is pretty important for, again, the context if you're in servers and stuff like that. Wait, Abu, thank you so much for the raid. What the heck? Thank you. I appreciate that. How was your stream? What did you do? Tell us what you're up to. And Fury, thank you so much for the 5 biddies. I appreciate it. Thank you. It's new to me, but it's an M1. Oh, I mean, I'm on an M1. I've had no performance issues. I'm on an M1 Max though. Max, by the way. But mostly I just upgraded it because I knew I was going to be using it potentially for streaming and video editing and stuff, which tend to be kind of CPU stuff. Oh, I meant writing bash with bashisms versus writing it POSIX compliant. Oh, interesting. I don't know. I honestly have not done that much bash scripting. I know, the name makes me an imposter. Sorry guys, we're just I'm just setting up some of my repos before we go. Oh, it is private. Okay. Oh, what do you mean another Git process is running? What the... Canada is still listed on the Charm Team page, though. Oh. That is because we used to have 2 Canadians on there. Is your name Emma? Sure. Yes. My name is Emma Watson. I follow this channel. What is this stream? We're going to do some coding. But at the moment, I'm currently doing top secret things. Oh my God, wait. Oh, I missed a lot of messages. I didn't realize it was paused. Wait, birthday? Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I've been asking most coding influencers this question. How do you position yourself in the current world of AI as a junior/CS student? Do we focus fully on the fundamentals, or we go all in on AI, or a mix? I think you have to blend it. I think you have to blend it. If you rely too much on AI, I do feel like you're going to get, I feel like your skills/knowledge is going to atrophy over time. Like you can't delegate all of your thinking to something that can give you answers too quickly. In my opinion, I feel like you need some struggle in order for things to actually be like cemented in your brain. Can we see the code? It's coming. Just hold on. What? Keith, what? Is the code in the room with us? Shut up, Icarus. Shut up. I'm already struggling with AI. Then you should get more fundamentals in there. Read a book. In the nicest way possible, read a book. It's very helpful. It's okay. It's okay for learning to be hard, and it's okay for learning to take time. I think that AI, I feel like is a good buffer. Like it's a good way to like to still be productive in that like limbo period. Just make sure that you're not relying on it too much is my thought. Cause that's when it gets a little bit dicey. Okay. So I can clone that. Listen, guys, if I was a more organized streamer, I would have done this beforehand, but I got busy. I was yapping. Okay, I was chatting, and that was important to me. So that's too bad for you. Why am I typing? Okay, anyway, it's fine. Never mind. Me using my laptop keyboard when I have a nicer mechanical keyboard right in front of me, closer to me even, and I'm not using that. Bear with me. Yeah, bro, I just picked up a book just as you said. Read a book. It's the Bash Manual. Coincidence? Wait, that's huge. Is your name Emma Quintana? Yes. Yo, what's up, Daniil? How's it going? How's it going? Are you used to Python also, or you don't like it? Oh, I have used Python. I learned Python in school. I learned Python, Java, C, C++. I think those were mostly the ones I learned in school. I used Python in a couple of like professional settings, only for like basically being able to like bootstrap something quickly. It was more so, it was like not at a software company. It was like in doing IT stuff kind of vibe. And or for like a cybersecurity company. And then it was basically me just having to do stuff with a bunch of the data. Okay. Okay, let me try running this and just see what happens. Oh wait, I gotta do. Oh right. Wait, did I not launch this from Go? Why do Canadians drink milk from bags? I think that's only in Ontario. For what it's worth, I think it's less packaging and stuff. Most people, I think, pour it into another container. Like they have like those glass jugs or whatever. And then they just pour it into that. Bad tummy ache, gonna sleep it off. Take care, have fun. Oh man, I'm sorry that you're not feeling good. Good luck. I hope you recover quickly. If you're doing anything with machine learning, you pretty much have to use Python. That is true. I did want to try doing something with, what was it? OpenCV for a bit there. And then I gave up. I do think Python is a great language to start with. I would go Python and then C or C++. What do I think about C or C? I like C more than C++. For what it's worth. I have, where the heck did I put that? Hold on. Actually, I'll keep that and do. Weird. I thought I did a shell.nix file. Oh, no, you know what? That's why. I had it somewhere else. It was this. Okay. Maybe I'll just add a little command for that in my fish config here. Hold on. Uh-oh. Ad break incoming. Oh, you guys have heard this before? Why do you like C more than C++? Mostly the syntax. I find C++ syntax weird. After 15 years of Python, I no longer recommend Python. Oh, really, Basil? I could, okay, it's been a minute since I've done Python though, so I could see that, like, I could imagine that it's gotten kind of bloated is my question, or is my concern. The more I deal with C, the more I regret touching C. For what it's worth, I've never done any like actual, I feel like more big projects in C. It's only ever been like assignments, you know, like schoolwork, which is very different. Here, I guess I might as well just show you guys my code. We're gonna tweak something very quickly. And I'm just gonna add a shortcut. I don't even remember if that's how I set aliases. Dude, I told you, she's gonna be a little bit rusty today. Nix, I'll just do like Nix go. Oh, I need to recopy it. Some of y'all gonna get impatient, and that's okay. I think if people get too upset with me online, I've decided I think they need to work harder. I think if you get upset at how hard somebody else is working online or what someone else is doing online, I think that you need to do more. That's my goal. That's my very honest opinion. People get upset with you online. Yeah, people always find something to get upset about. I'm gonna be honest. I think they're just upset generally. You know, how so? They'll be like, oh, so it's like either it's like not developer enough, or like usually it's something to do with like, I am so god tier developer. How dare you not know something? And then I'm like, that's cool. You're right. Bold of me. So bold. All right, sick. So that is Nix go. I gotta remember that. All right, and in here, was it this one? No, it was this one. I was gonna run Blossom, which means that I need to do, let me do that. And then, yeah, that's cool. It's okay. I need that agent output. So you guys can't see. Sorry, it's so small. All right, there we go. Yeah. That somehow sounds pretentious. No way. You're right. The funny thing is, I do think Icarus complains a lot, but it's also, I know that Icarus is just Icarus. So it's different. It's different if you're like a community member and you're poking fun. That is different than like if it's random, then I'm like, brother, you're just a bad vibe. Plot twist, Icarus actually serious always. In which case it still doesn't matter. It still doesn't matter. All right, I want to Blossom. Oh, I don't remember. Invalid version, must match format. Oh, fuck. I have to do a specific version of Go. Am I behind? I'm already behind in the times. Oh, wait. I'm gonna do this. He's calling me. I need that, but I need it to be 1.23. Oh. 0.1. No, it doesn't. Okay, fine. I'll just update it. Oh, yeah, I can do that. Literally can't even remember how to update the Go version of my project. I don't remember if I need to. It's fine. I can't remember if I can just change Go mod or if there's like some other thing. Go mod edit. I can either do that or I can just change it. Okay. This is how rusty I am. It's been a minute. You should try giving Mies a try. What is that? Does anyone know the playlist? Guys, it's just the YouTube audio library. Maybe I can make a little playlist video for you guys. How about I'll do another, like, I'll do a code with me or a study with me and I'll put all this music on it. Did you work at GitHub? I did not, no. I collaborated with GitHub professionally on a few times. Yeah, I was not employed by GitHub though. ¿Por qué? Why do you ask? I got to code the last 2 weeks. I've been having a great month. That's sick. I'm really, really happy for you. All right, sick. Let's just go here. I'll just go to my little Go Moderuski. I'm gonna change you to, what was it, 1.25? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do this every time. Let's go. I gotta make that shorter. Wait, contract work, grant work, something like this. More so like I did a collab with them for YouTube. I threw a party at their headquarters. And I attended their GitHub Universe event. Gosh, try using Mies. What is that? Is it a built-in? Because you have the GitHub light behind you. Yeah, it's a cool light. It's very recognizable. Where can I find this music playlist? You guys, okay, I'll make a video with all of just the music and not me talking. Ricardo, either give 50 or don't. Either give 50 or don't. I don't know what to tell you. When the person has a mouth closed, can the person feel their lips touching each other? Like, what do you want? Yeah, that light has this, that light carries, there's a weight. There's a weight behind that light, okay? Don't ask how much I paid for it. Or just dir-env to enter Nyx shell, Nyx dev shell automatically when you see. Ooh, wait, I love that. Wait, I'm gonna do that. I don't know how to do that. I'm not gonna get sniped with it right now. Probably, maybe for a bit. I could also just have Go installed globally, but whatever. Was that the super expensive swag light? Yeah, it was $250 US. And then 10 minutes later they said, "Oh, we would have sent you in for free." And then I was like, thanks. Thanks. Good thing. It's fine. Okay, wait. I'll write that down as well to take a look at Mies. I'm trying not to get too nerd sniped. What is nerd sniped? It's basically when somebody either presents you a problem or something that sounds interesting, and then you drop everything you're doing and you go and do that thing, and it's like a little side quest. And then you realize that you're hours deep in a new rabbit hole that you didn't need to look at. I don't know who that is, user. How to have clear skin? You gotta find the balance between, you gotta exfoliate regularly, use chemical exfoliants, and moisturize. For what it's worth, I found through, like, I have been using either like retinol, like a tretinoin, or Differin, which is I can't remember what the actual name of that is, but basically, like, I've been using like very powerful retinoids for quite a while. It helped my skin at least. Just hand soap works fine. Listen, not everyone's genetically blessed with perfect skin, okay? How about drinking water? I think water helps the quality. Like, it can help the kind of like bounce in your skin, but at the end of the day, drinking water is very good for many reasons. And it should be something, like, you should be a hydro homie. As a hydro homie, I'm gonna vouch. It's great. But what? The fuck? Since when? Maximum supported version? What? I can't type today. The heck? GoMod Tidy is older than the current version specified in GoMod. When the Go toolchain version used to run GoMod Tidy. What? Like, I found for a very long time I was breaking out. Oh my god. I was breaking out because my skin was actually like dehydrated and it would get irritated. So I fight. What are you talking about? 1.19. What the? Didn't I just? Am I losing my mind? This should be using the latest Go version, which was 1.25. brother. Oh, did I change this? I didn't change this. Guys. Where am I? First time coding in months. Many months. Icarus got the popcorn. God. Icarus has no faith in me. For what it's worth, we are asking AI, so I don't have much faith here either, but it's fine. Did I not copy that? It's okay, we're learning. And being scuffed a little bit. We're a little bit scuffed. It's okay. We'll survive. We'll survive. It only goes up to version 20? Wait. I need to probably like zoom this in more for you. Yeah. I can't open that in Wayland. I think I can X-render and change my resolution. Hold on. That's fine. 1.25. Yeah, okay. All right, fine. Guys. Use another source, maybe Flatpak. Hi, Svenny. How's it going? Oh, wait, Kevin. Yo, what's up? I have plenty of faith. Oh, you're just entertained while I'm doing it. Oh, right. Oh, my God. Wait, X-render is an X11 thing, too. God damn. Oh, you can just do go. Wait. Oh, DevBox. Okay. Wait, I'm going to write this down. Dad walking? Yes. I love when having to go on all these side quests to get one thing working. I live for it. Go at latest? Is DevBox? Just make a shell.nix with the proper Go version. Okay, I'm just gonna look at the NixOS wiki going. It'll get what I meant. Yeah, I thought I had a something. I don't need that. Oh, is this to be able to do a... Okay, wait. I think that's the same page I was just on. Oh no, it's different. Okay, just look like the same. Running next shell, create a shell. Wait, this is kind of cool. Is this a flake? The following flake. This is a flake.nix. Okay, we're dark mode on, please. I don't have Dark Reader installed. Okay, wait. I think this is Brave. Yo, media, what's up? What's up? Sup? Nix has two wikis competing for top spot. It's weird. It is weird. Nix shall P go. It works. Really? All right, let's try it. I trust you blindly. Oh. Easy. Wow. The goat. Okay, this is side quest. Eventually, I'm gonna learn how to package things. Oh, it's built into the wiki now? I missed it. It's okay. Well, you know what? We're gonna we'll dedicate time to the side quests later. Try to get the right spell for Nyx. Yeah, for real. For conjuring programming languages onto my machine. Okay. How young did you become bunny? What does that mean? Ooh, programming is like casting spells. Wait, that does sound like a really fun game idea. That took longer to happen than I figured. Okay, shut up, Icarus. Shut up. It is what it is. You know what? Sometimes learning takes time, and that's okay. And I get to do it in front of all of you, which is lucky for me. Good thing I have all of you here to witness my struggles. God. Oh, the nuked chat, the chat comment. Oh, okay, fair enough, fair enough. Oh, I don't share my age online. I mean, sometimes I do. I just generally don't because I feel like, what's the point? People are gonna judge you and say you're too young or you're too old. I don't share my age at work either. Generally. I've had employers tell me that I've pitched something, had it be a really good idea. They take it, they run with it. They don't want to give me any kind of credit for it or promotion or anything because I'm too young. I'm like, that's not a valid reason. This was back in my youth. No. I do find like you can 100% get biases because of that. I find maybe less so in software development. Okay, why are you confused? What do you mean device not found? Oh, that's why. I didn't touch it. Why is it using it for this though? I should not have to touch you a million times. I need to change this to be something that's not a security key for pulling SSH. It wants your touch, I know. Bro, what do you mean? Oh wait, what is this? Burnt sushi Tomo reading. I give up. What am I doing? I swear to God, nothing wants to work for me when I'm on this stream. Never. SSH, keygen. Actually, I'll just do ed25519. I don't remember how I had this configured. All right. Oh, wait. I shouldn't have done that. Hold on. I gotta do this not... Give me a sec. Oh, did I overwrite it? No, I didn't. Thanks for the public key. You're welcome. You're welcome. This is why I don't use Nyx. Dude. You know I love yak shaving, okay? I just like entertaining myself with all these side quests. And saving the real work for the men. I'm just kidding. I get comments like that, so it's so funny. It's stupid. I'm sorry, I couldn't help it. You know, some people are gonna believe me. Oh, really? You're not going to copy that? You're not going to copy that for me? Do I have trauma? No. I have trauma from my side quests. So I guess so. I'll just change my why am I getting all of these notifications? I've seen your Teej inspired VimCon. Okay, for what it's worth, I don't think I never was very good at configuring Vim stuff. I feel like I never knew where to look for resources for Vim. Like, you could look in the help menu, but then I feel like it... How do I explain this? It's like if you didn't know the specific term of what you were looking for yet, then you couldn't find it in the wiki. Like, I think it was potentially skill issue. I don't know. I give up. No one knows where to look for resources for Vim. Like, TJ would show me things and I'm like, I didn't see this anywhere. And I looked. You know? It's like, I don't think this is real. Well, and now we have AI, so it doesn't matter. It finds it for us. You I can delete. I have... Okay, I'm gonna try this again. Okay, now it's working. All right, sick. Oh, wait. Let me double check that I don't have anything bad. Yeah, okay. All right, we good. Back. I'm gonna hop off and take an exam. Yo, good luck, Kevin. I believe in you. Good luck. Just read the documentation left front to back like Teach did. I think that's probably what I should have done. You just see some code, brother. I'm gonna ban you if you're gonna be annoying. I will ban on vibes. Don't test me. I'll do it. Oh, I think it was dash help, but it's fine. Why is it taking forever? Oh, the camera command is wrong. Hold on. Why is this taking so long? Did I go mod tidy? I think I just did. Oh, there we go. Oh, you know what? I think it also does build to the tempter first. If you all are new, she really will ban people for breathing wrong. This is true. Sometimes I just feel like it. And then you're gone forever. Not sure how TJ had the patience to do that. No, I'm gonna be honest. TJ is probably the most patient person that I have ever met in my life. Okay? TJ is somebody you could ask stupid questions to and he will actually answer them and be sincere and nice. Which, for the record, I know a lot of people like that. It's very nice. But TJ, like, I've never met anybody who could be that, like, who could sleep that little and still be so patient. Like, at Tower, TJ, oh, wait, hold on. Let's give TJ a shout out. Hold on. I think it's just TJ. That's his handle on YouTube. No, so at the Tower, I swear to God, that man was sleeping like 4 hours a day and still had the patience of a saint. I was like, dude, I wake up on the wrong, I wake up and like my pillow is warm and I'm pissed off, you know? The morning candy eater. Prime has ADHD. He stops listening to you halfway through your question. I have never experienced that with Prime. I have never experienced that with Prime. I think that's exclusively a chatter experience. I'm going to be honest. Keen, what's up? What's up? The only stupid question is the one that's not asked. It's true. It's true. That's because Prime likes you. That's true. We are close. So he does care what I have to say. Unlike you chatters. No, I'm just kidding. I just like to bother you. I like to try and get under your skin out of frustration for nothing in particular. I want to see, does this edit config thing even work? Oh, it didn't like that. Oh, it goes to Neovim. I need some fallbacks. Okay, wait, we're gonna find some to-dos in here. Oh, I do have a to-do.org file. That's sick. We have to, okay, add fallback editors. Is the screen blurry? Or do you need to refresh? For the... Yeah, I'm on, I didn't install NeoVim. I've been using Vi or Vim. I don't even know if I have Vim installed. Oh no, I do. I think my font is Terminus. Yo, T2, I don't know how to say your name. T2SDE, thank you very much for the raid. How is your stream? How's it going? Welcome in, raiders. Hello, hello. And that's why you use dev shell so your path is populated. Ooh, wait, worked on our Linux? On your Linux what? You have me hooked. I need to know more. To be fair, chat does ask Prime stupid questions. For what it's worth, I've asked Prime some, how have you met Prime? Oh, we've been friends for years. We've been friends since we were streaming with the Ducks. It's been like, this is our year 5. Same with Tej. I've asked Prime stupid questions and he was much nicer than I was expecting. Because we're literally, we have sibling energy. So I was kind of expecting him to like bonk me on the head and then also still answer my question. But he didn't bonk me on the head and I was like, whoa. I think he knows I can tattle on his wife. No, I'm just kidding. Add fallback editors for the edit config command. Yes, I do need to do that. And then I need to run this again so that I can remember where things are. Where? Oh yeah. Past my config file. Oh, I do have it here. I feel like I need to zoom everything in more for you. But I don't know how to do it on Wayland right now, I'm gonna be honest. Is it blurry? I don't know why the screen would be blurry. It doesn't look blurry. It could be maybe just, I don't know. It's not, it's fine. Do I have a 9 to 5? I just quit my full-time job. Well, just as in a little bit ago. Now I'm just hacking on things. Today's day 1 of that. We're just gonna be hacking on things, making content, chilling, vibing. Datadir. Let's actually make this. So full-time content creator now? Yeah. for a bit at least. Try it out, see how we go. See if I enjoy it. Using caps on Linux, I know, I'm bold of me. I don't know why. To go full-time making DAW files? Yeah, pretty much. I installed NixOS and I said, actually, I want this as my full-time job now. Will I join the stand-ups? Potentially. Probably. There's a good chance I become the female presence on the stand-ups. Finally, someone to put them in their place. Tell me about it. Okay, now I think if I do Blossom, I think I can do print post or something. See, you know what? I think I need to... Oh, wait. How do I do that again? It was... Hold on. I gotta look it up. You guys are gonna... I'm gonna be exposed for a sec here. I can't remember. Oh, X1. That's what it was. Fill the entire frame. Oh, I knew that. That was... Cannot make side window the only window? Oh. Damn it. I can't remember. Oh, you're on the boot.dev payroll. What does that mean? What does that mean? Have you tried front-end coding in these terminal-based IDEs? Does it work normally? I usually just see back-end doing that. Yeah, it works the same. I've done some minor front-end stuff, yeah. Okay. Make... I had this written down somewhere too. I forget. We might eventually see it today. Have you always used Go? Wait. Trying to find... I feel like there used to be a thing where you could see all of the messages. Oh, have you always used Go or did you start with something else? I did not start with Go. I started with Python. Isn't it just Control Plus? No, I don't think so. Change your prior configuration. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'll try that. Guys, as I said, we're rusty today. No, that's just to zoom in. It was... Wait, it was that. Alright, I give up. I need to get better at this stuff. I don't know all the shortcuts. Okay, wait, hold on. Oh. Talk about Rust and how safe it is. I haven't started learning Rust yet. Welcome back. Thank you, Rizzle. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Which AI do you vibe with if and when you vibe? I have not vibed much since I quit my job. And that one I was using Claude, but now I don't know if I'm going to keep using that because because it's expensive, and before it was like on the company, you know, it was on the company card, so it was different. I think in an ideal world, I would probably use Qwen 3 with Olama, but I need to get more RAM on this machine to do that for the model that I wanted. I was going to do the Qwen 330B one, but people were saying, I asked about this the other day, and people were saying Opus 4.5 is it's expensive, but it gives you good speed, good quality. GPT 5.2 is good quality, but it's slow. And that Gemini is cheap. It's a cheaper option. What is the monthly price of Claude? Well, so I'd probably want to use it with API with some third-party thing, which means that I don't think I can use like the Claude Max subscription or whatever. Toggle the current window between maximized and restored. Oh, space WMM. Okay, we try that. Oh, yay. That's what I wanted. Okay, wait. I'm going to hide this for a sec, though. Ooh. It crashed. ¿Por qué? Invalid post schedule. Oh, I'm not doing a check for something. Okay. This is good. This is good. This is a good way back in. Why not use terminal Claude code? I don't know. I just haven't. Why did you quit your job? I wanted to kind of do my own thing for a little bit. Just wanted to challenge myself and develop my skills in a way that prioritized me and not like company priorities, you know? I feel like no matter what, when you're working somewhere, it's always, you know, company priorities come first kind of vibe, obviously. So yeah, okay. Main.go. Oh. And I think it was line 53. Okay, so it's somewhere, it's in here. It was there somewhere in Kong. Commands.go 2593. Oh, is it because this is this, what is, can it run GoDef binary? Fuck. Hold on. Do I even have, I don't think it's gonna. Is Go Please installed? Did that come by default with this? Did I launch, where did I launch this from? Does she even read the YouTube chat? It seems the messages only come from Twitch. The Twitch messages are what get shown on stream. Yeah, that's what I don't remember if I started that. I think I didn't start this Doom Emacs session from a Nix shell with Go. All right. Bear with me. We're on a learning curve. It's fine. Oh, right. And it was just Nix shell Pico is what works. Okay, hold on. Let me add that to my little... We're learning around here, okay? Kill it. Okay. We'll do... And then it was Nix Go. And then if I do Go version... Okay, cool. What did I just witness? What? What do you want from me? I have ADHD and spend way too much time tweaking my doc files. Would Emacs be the death of my productivity? Probably. It helps using something pre-built. Like I just use Doom. I just use Doom because it just works. DevOps stream today. Oh man. Oh man, I just can't win. Hold on. I'm gonna see if I gotta switch again because when I run it, I don't know if it's gonna show me. I don't know what blog posts are actually gonna show here. Do I have Go? No, I need to do. I'll figure it out eventually with this Go stuff, with this Nix stuff. What are you working on? We are slowly but surely working towards getting my project stuff going. Okay, no, cool. It is still giving me a memory address, which is what a memory address error, which is what I want. A little nil pointer error. I want that. Sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing yet. Hold on. I think it's trying to index this thing that is a pointer is my guess. Really? Can't run GoDef binary? Error from language server, no views. Fuck. I don't remember. Hold on. It's fine. We got... I told you guys I haven't touched this in months. And this is the first time I'm actually coding on this computer. So. Okay. Potentially just install Go globally forever. Potentially I just do that. I don't got the patience for this. I don't got the patience is my problem. What project are you working on? I don't have it public yet. Oh, I do have Go Please installed, just not the actual language itself. It's smart to do things for yourself instead of a company. I think it makes for happier programmers. Thank you. I think if I have, it just seems like it was just good timing. I think it's just, it's a very like, I feel very fortunate to get to do that for a bit and try it out. And, you know, I feel like if you're given that opportunity, like, why not? I install GitHub on my phone and have been doom scrolling to see what people I follow are up to and what they start. It's been fun. It's nice, right? It seems like a good, it's a fun, do I have to restart? No. Okay, we're good. Okay, I think in theory, even this might work now because we'll just try it. Is it on here? Invalid settings. Field limit, I don't know what it's mad about. Okay, can I look at definitions now? Oh, thank God. Okay, well that is not a pointer. Oh, it must be this potentially. No. Okay, hold on. We run it again. I meant to do that in a big guy. Okay, I'm not. Burp, 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 burp. We will do. Oh, it didn't register at all. Oh, because I was in a Nyx shell. That's why. Did I cancel you? TTY, thank you very much for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. How do you like Nyx so far, Bash? I do really like it. I feel like there's a learning curve to it for sure. This right now, this is just a random random project for fun. Just like it eventually will be. I mean, I'm gonna use it for my blog, but this right now is kind of just a little fun project, just to like get myself back in the groove a little bit. You know, I'm a little bit out of the groove. Okay. All right. It was this and then print, I believe. Yeah, and then it gives me debt. And then now I get to figure out why. So it was commands go line 25, which is this one. It was probably get posts is my guess. 25. Oh, right. I could read. Lols. Print command run, and then it's get posts. Gives an issue. It's parsing markdown from file. Oh, am I not checking if there's... I'm probably not checking if there's a file or something. I think I'm calling that without actually checking if there are contents or something. Yes, this one. Interesting. I wonder which of these is the problem. I also... Okay, also on my to-do list, which is actually pretty high on the priority list because I do freaking love using my debugger. I need to get a debugging working / usable for me in my Emacs setup. I got it working on Mac and then I forget how I did it and I didn't document it. Info, comma, nothing. Oh, am I ignoring the lols? Okay. I'll at least... that's funny. Okay. Is that gonna... That'll at least maybe potentially tell me something. Hold on. I'm scared to run things because I just don't know what it's gonna print. Yeah, so of course didn't fix... That doesn't fix anything, which makes sense because I need to do... Okay, markdown from bytes, markdown from file... For one, I don't even know entry.info. I don't remember what you are. File info. I'm just gonna quickly do a little logarooski. I'll just do log info. And I'm gonna do... I'll just do path is that, and then name is whatever. Whatever. You do something like that. Oh, yeah. Are you upset about something? What's your problem? Oh, wait. What are you? Yeah, I know your string. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, wait. That's not how I print that way. Hold on. That's fine. Authoring repos.md. So it does... Oh, it's way earlier? Oh. Yeah, but this also seems like I should... There's probably a check that I'm missing here too. There's honestly probably a lot of underscores. I mean, these ones are fine to miss. Me forgetting how to freaking use this even. Dude. As I said, I did say already, I feel like I didn't code as much last year as I wanted to. By a miles. Do I have a log.info anywhere? Oh, I just sprintf. Or do... Okay. For what it's worth, I'm just gonna do a little... It's fine. Info.name. Okay. So here... Let's read file. Unable to open file for reading. I'll do... See, if I had a debugger, I wouldn't need to do all this, but whatever. Oh, log problem is info instead of info F. Ah, yeah. Thank you. Okay, I'll update that. Thanks, Icarus. I appreciate it. Okay, so that, I mean, that part of it is not nil. I should read, hold on, let me like actually read that. Markdown from bytes, front matter, decode. I wish I could help, but it's too small on the phone. Oh no, you're all good. You're all good. Do you think you'll still contribute to charm projects now that you're not paid for it? Do you consider charm stuff a closed chapter and don't want to go back to it? I would love to still contribute to charm stuff. I am actually even considering potentially doing like a big rewrite of VHS. I don't know if that'll end up getting merged. Like I know that that's not probably a priority for charm, but I like using that project, and so I think I might use it as inspiration for a future project after this. It looks like it's choking on the markdown itself. I think you're right by giving it bytes, and it's... I think you're right. You're giving it bytes and it's blowing up inside. Yeah, there's something with the... Yeah, I don't know. We'll sure. Bytes. Oh, yeah, you. It's this part probably. Actually, you know what? Let me do a little... I think I have a new bookmark. Okay, so this P I think is the problem somehow. Post content is that... I mean, that seems right. I forget how to pretty print things. Hold on. What is Blossom? It's a new project that I was kind of just lightly working on. Yeah, okay, whatever. I'll copy you. Oh, wait. There we go. Printf this. Marshall with indent. Okay, I'll try this one. I do remember seeing that. Just don't know why it would be on Marshall. I mean, I'm probably just doing something goofy here, TBH. Is it? We'll see. I think I'm doing something goofy, which is okay. This is... Actually, I'll just do a little like... Oh, and I guess I'll do... Sure. Yeah, I don't know. It's okay. We play. We play with it. Oh my god. I don't need to keep printing that. That was in... Wait, it's... Oh, it's info F, that's why. Me forgetting where I added everything. It's fine. That's what Mega is for. Entry.info, not that. Is it EL? Where are my bookmarks? Oh, it's space return. Oh, there you go. I do think it is like almost definitely this thing though. Oh, or where are you? I don't think that was used anywhere else, right? Oh, wait. Yo, what's up, Lise? Hello, hello. Go honestly has shockingly unhelpful logs. I find Lua errors the worst. I'm gonna be honest. Hello? 2. Yeah, so something about the front matter it's upset about. What is this? Where did I print? Oh. Oh, it's because I'm posting. Okay, it's all the posts. Okay, so maybe, you know what? I wonder if it's something where it's trying to parse through all of that, and because there's no front matter, it's exploding. I think this is a library bug. No. I won't be able to fix that without a debugger. Okay, wait, hold on. I gotta pee and I gotta get more tea. A human, thank you very much for the tier 2 membership on YouTube. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, it is hard to tell. I feel like it is one of those things where a debugger is helpful. Oh my God. I'm clicking with my, I was, okay, it's fine. I have not used windsurf, no. All right, I'll be right back, I think. I'm just taking a minute to catch up. Since I'm out of the code for a sec. forgot how to unmute myself. Hold on. I gotta turn the music down. Alrighty. Yes, there's dog. Dog is in the room. She has a bully stick. She loves it. Alrighty. Also, I don't think I showed you guys my sweater. Can you see? Wait, look. Costco, please. I need you. Costco, sponsor me. It's actually so good. It's the best quality feeling sweater of all time. I love it. I wanted their original like Kirkland signature, the gray one. Yeah. The text is also dark mode. I know, it's kind of, it goes hard. All right. So part of me is thinking that I lost my cursor. Oh, there we go. Okay, we're back. Part of me is thinking that it could be an issue where the front matter, so if there's no front matter, then maybe there's nothing. But even still, like this would say that the post is nil and then it wouldn't go to decode it. What is weird is that it's also not handling the error. And I do have this initialized and everything. Post being hard would be post being no would be pretty hard since you make it. Yeah, it's just, I know. I did this as like I don't know, like just to try and see if it would hit, because it was saying, yeah, I think it's deeper. Yeah, it's like in there, data.go. Hold on. It was what? Data.go, line 39. This one. On marshalling. Oh, is it saying that this is potentially a nil? It does look like it's an issue with the dark matter or front matter. Dark matter. Why was I thinking dark? Okay. I would love to debug this, but I don't have my debugger set up. Maybe we try Zed. What is this? Oh, I must have looked it up. Maybe we try Zed for the first time. Oh, where's 4? Oh, there you are. Okay. Maybe I can open a project. We'll try it. For the record, I have never used this ever. Okay, wait, this is spooky. I always get so paranoid. I'm like, I don't have anything. I don't have anything I can't show on this computer, but also I get spooked. Try Zed. We try Zed. Okay, and how do I... Oh my god, wait, I don't know how to configure regular debuggers either. This is fun. Ooh. Ah. Okay, hold on. I think I could just prove it. Show your internet history. Spooky. if I do this, if I delete that, if I try to just run or debug a command. Can I just do, I don't remember how to, it's fine. You know what I used to do is run, oh, okay, you know what? I think it's actually easier for me to run it in, whatchamacallit, headless mode. Hold on. I gotta go. I think I was in the charm repo. I think it was Delve headless mode. I think you might just have to, you might have to set up the LSP. That is potential. There's potential for that. What do you think? What are your thoughts on LLMs for programming? I think that they can be really, really helpful. It can be, I found it really nice at kind of like, I found it helpful during debugging in particular. But like, especially if I know what area, or I speculate what area I think the bug is coming from, and I can get it to like explain in plain English what the logic is saying in that one area in case my brain is like starting to atrophy. It can be very helpful. But I think it's important to still keep things challenging for yourself. Don't get used to having these really fast feedback cycles. Otherwise, I think it's gonna affect you in the long run in not a good way. That's not specific to, like, that's whatever tool you're using. This. This makes more sense to me. I don't even think I have, I don't even think I have, do I have? Yeah, okay. Oh, is it Delve? Hold on. Is it just a Delve? Okay, it is just Delve. Okay. My bad. Delve. Okay, so I think I could do that. I think I can just run this and do, but it's gonna be, I should run that probably from, I'll do that, and it would be print. Oh, wait. I think it's maybe, again, as I said, I'm just a little rusty right now, okay? Okay, there we go. And then I should be able to attach to it. I'm not vibing with this song. Hold on. I don't know what this is and I gotta change it. Oh, this is the last one. Okay, we go back. Attached to what is dead with exit code 1. Yeah, don't worry about it. I need to set some breakpoints and stuff. And double check why it stopped working. Not gonna lie. Oh wait, So that should be right, but what I want is to get to, it was my internal parse. Oh, right, this wasn't working. I'm missing something. Do I need Sego installed? Is that part of my problem? We ask AI. This saves me time. Ask AI. Actually, apparently duck.ai is pretty good. Yeah. This is, I think, NixOS learning pains. Zed mentioned I've been enjoying it. Yo, nice. Hello, dog. How you doing? Was that I think I have, I'm pretty sure I have GCC. Yeah. Before I hear a solution, but it, oh. I'm like hundreds to ask what we're building. I'm building pretty much just like a blog generator slash calendar. Like, I want something where I can just write my blog posts as Markdown, and then have it basically have a list of like which blog posts are public, render those to HTML, create an RSS feed, and show me like a calendar based on the front matter in the Markdown files, to show me like when they're supposed to get published, so that I can kind of plan out some of that blog content is the vibe. Hoskins, thank you so much for the tier 1, by the way. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, wait. Oh, smart. Wait, I'm gonna yoink their Nix shell thing. We're stealing this for a second. Me mostly struggling with Nix in the new year. I think it'll be worth it. Yeah, so I could use org mode. That was kind of, so I was originally planning on doing I gotta turn it down for a little bit. I was originally planning on doing doing a like more full-fledged blog project related thing. And then I realized I could just use org mode and export those to HTML. And then I decided I thought it would be pretty fun to have something where I could just have in my, like on my website, I could just have blog posts kind of sitting there, whatever. And then when I push a tag, it basically has like a publication workflow where it will update the RSS feed. It will publish any of the things that are supposed to be public, publish them as in like turn them into HTML files and make them accessible. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm yoinking somebody's thing right now. That's square. You're yoinking. Snatched. It's mine now. Oh, wait, they have a Nyx shell and a flake? Untied flake utils. Hold on. I'm up point this. Want me to stop coding for months? Life. Sometimes life happens, you know? Sometimes I know it's crazy. Why are you yanking only from question but not include answer? Just one step at a time. It's my foundation, okay? This is my foundation. Okay, running Nyx shell and then delve debug was fine. Just inside the flake, it fails with that error message. If I comment out the line pointed to in the error message, it works just fine. Oh, disabling Seago? It looks like the only other workaround is by adding hardening disable all. What the heck? Interesting. So they added this and they added Seago. Seago enabled. Let me look at the bug report. Interesting. Yo, Hammy, how's it going? Hi. Disable. You guys have heard this one. I heard this song so many times when I was editing that video. I don't know if I need both of these or not, I'm gonna be honest. Alrighty. And then, can I just do... oh, it's not a flake. Oh, interesting. Okay, so I do Nyx shell. I gotta... Again. Babies first shell.nyx, okay? Probably. Hold on. We'll find it out. Frost, thank you so much for the 28 months. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Holy smokes. Oh my god, that tea is so good. Black tea is apparently really bad for your teeth. Oh, I see. Apparently, black tea is not good for your teeth, but I like it so much. No go file. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Huh. Interesting. Weird. What brand of tea? This one is Yorkshire Gold. I love Yorkshire Gold. So good. All right, and then now I can set this up. To attach to 4.3. How do I give it a hold on. Where are you? Wait, is it debugging? What the fuck? No, it's not doing anything yet. It's not attached. Oh wait, is it? I'm confused. No, it's not attached, I don't think. I brought them up a few months ago. Yeah, their decaf tea is the best. It is absolutely the best. Okay, let me hold on. It's okay, guys. You guys are we're running into all the skill issues today. It's great. I'm so glad I get to do this publicly. That was Delve. I need. There we go. This is what I need. Oh, it's in Vim mode. Okay, I was like, what? Port is 43. Yeah, that. Okay, and we'll see if that works. What's the warning? What's it mad about? Incorrect type it expected an array. Oh, I think I'm supposed to do this within an array is my guess. Me not having used any kind of can I just delete this? I don't know. I'm confused. Oh, interesting. Wait, you can launch Delve from here? Huh. I'm confused. Did you run Delve? Oh, yeah, it was running. If it attached, yeah, it's still going. Yeah. Okay, how do I end you? Oh, that is running from Delve, right? Yeah. I guess it's, I feel like it's supposed to show up here is my guess. You know what? Let's look at the docs for, how come you haven't programmed your months? Life, man. Let me tell you. It's kind of on launch. I think you can directly run your command. I did notice that. Yeah, I'm not used to being able to do that. Okay, maybe this one, something like this will work. Yes, I know I'm doing bad things. Okay, I'm just copying it from the internet, from AI, the AIs. Can I just get rid of this? I'm gonna get rid of you. I think I can. Where's your friend? You have no friends. You don't exist. You're not real. Okay, but this looks like it's headless, except multi-client. I don't think I have that flag. But maybe if I save that and then if I do something. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, perfect. Ah, we made it. Jesus. Do you have a regular job or just streaming content? Now it's just streaming content. As of recently, I left my job. Is this you? Okay, wait. I don't want this. How do I close you? Oh. Can I move you over here? Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. Now I don't use VS Code anymore to. Oh wait. Why did I do that? Don't do that. Stay. Wait, on Marshall. Is it saying everything parse post? Oh, is it a pointer to a pointer? It is. Am I dumb? Potentially. It's fine. All right, we're just gonna keep going and see what happens. Okay. I don't know what's happening. I feel like nothing is updating. Oh, there we go. Finally. Did we run into the issue? Yeah, okay. Interesting. I didn't see, like, am I blind? I didn't see anything changing. Maybe it was just the you know what? It was probably the content. I don't know what this means. Loaded 64 out of 1507. It's okay. Sometimes we just do be rusty a little bit, and it's okay. Ruby, shut up. I'm banning all the annoying people today. First chatter, goodbye. I'm just gonna ban everyone. Editing condition for breakpoint is a good way to debug. What do you mean? Everyone is banned. Did you feel anxious leaving a job in the current market conditions in terms of hiring? I think I would feel more. I think I would if I didn't have. I have a very, I feel like, unique positioning in said market. So that makes it a bit different, I think. Like, I've had a very unconventional kind of experience. TBH. I love when it concatenates, like, can I watch you? Is that what? Why does it keep opening? Is this a bug or is this a thing? See, the only thing is I feel like usually when I do these, when I debug in, oh my God, this is so annoying. When I debug in like VS Code, for example, it like highlights the variables that have changed, right? And that is not happening here. Also, why does it keep, okay, this is going to drive me insane. I'm going to put you over here then. Like this one, it's not just changing. It's not really like highlighting anything for me. Wait, why? Why does it keep doing that? Okay. All right. It's fine. We go again. Oh wait, I can't. Hold on. I have to reconnect the. Today's a day for patience. What do you mean? API server is now listening. Burp. Oh, is that variable thing gone forever? What the heck? Hello? Oh, there we go. I need you. I hate this about Zed. It has a weird windowing system. I'm learning that. Yeah, so it's like if this one is focused, if this variables window is focused, and then I hit step in or step over, it then moves the file or like copies the file that I'm interacting with over to the current focused portion of the screen. Is setting the debugger in Emacs hard? You just never got around to it. I did get it set up on Mac, and then I can't remember what I did. I think I wrote it down somewhere, but I generally like I don't feel like doing that on stream right now. So we're just gonna use something else. Yeah, that is interesting. So is it this one that I was supposed to be? Okay. Yeah, I wish you'd highlighted. I'm gonna reach out to them. And be like, hello, I have feedback. Me, a creator with not a real job. That's why Nix is so good. You do it once in the config and then you just sync it to the next machine. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm looking forward to. Right now I think I'm just kind of, I mean, for what it's worth, I really don't need to be hard on myself because this is my first time doing any kind of development on NixOS on a new machine. Like it's fine. It's actually so fine for things to take a minute. Yeah, I think it's updating the content. I just wonder at what point it also cuts it off, which is not ideal. Loaded 64 out of 50. Oh my God. I don't think it's up, like, I don't know what it's updating. This isn't helping me at all. Yo, what's up, Kettlebell? Hey, we saw code. That's progress. That is true. We did it. Oh my God, no. I closed it again. Come back. Yeah, okay. I'm going to write down some of this feedback. Nothing like a full day of yak shaving. Yeah, for real. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Zed. Hi. Oh, one sec. I'm back. Have the axe been shaven? Dude, I low-key give up a little bit today. I wonder if well, not a little bit. I give up on trying to debug this specific thing. I think we can work on a feature real quick. But it's weird. I don't know why this is not working. I think it might be a bug with the upstream, which is fine. I would just like to find the bug and fix it. Would be ideal. Hey kid, how's it going? Hope all is well. Thank you. Things are good. Things are good. Learning, surviving, you know. Now this isn't Docker, I can't help. Kevin, how did you do your studying or your exam? What's going on? What's up? Do I have that running on multiple things? Is that running everywhere? Oh no, this one doesn't exist. Okay, it's fine. All right. Yeah, it's fine. All right, this is super fun. To debug upstream null pointer error when I run a print. Hello? All right, we ignore front matter for now, which kind of defeats the purpose of a lot. I'm gonna be honest. Do I have... Okay, we'll do some basic things. Oh, somebody's asking if there was a... Wait, what? There's no Neovim? Oh, is it a... It looks for your editor. Oh, that's why. It's not hard-coded. If editor is empty... I could also check if the... I mean... Can I see if this is going to be a problem? Provide an editor flag, maybe? I mean, what's the point? I feel like you should just have this working. Like, you should just have an editor end. But what I do want to see is... what I could do here is I can do a little log info thing. I think I could just say no, or editor environment. I'll just say editor, not set. Not set using Vi. Hello, world. Me. I think I can just do that and then try and use Vi. The only thing is, like for my example, I have editor set, but not using a valid editor that's actually installed in the system. So maybe double check that the editor is installed. Can I go to, oh wait, what am I doing? Can I go to you? Can I go to your source from here? I don't think so. Oh, maybe I can, wait. What are you gonna load? I don't think it's gonna load anything. Is this broken? There's a chance that's broken. I'm gonna be honest. Check your, yeah. My editor, it's in my fish config. I have editor set as NeoVim, I think. So that is not a problem. Hey, go. Show me go. Show me exec. Is that built in? Ooh, what is this? Hey, stop. Man. Search for an executable in... Interesting. Yeah, dev docs. Just so we're currently hoping to get back into making videos, do it. Making videos has been really good for like public speaking, I think. I think I've learned to express myself better. It helps, obviously, like streaming is nice too, just to like talk about things, but most of the time I feel like my brain like atrophies on stream, I'm gonna be honest. See, I just want to check if me not reading. Oh, I really don't like that escape brings me back out of what I'm looking at because I have problems. Okay. So it's only the path and return structure. If the command runs. Interesting. I'm gonna ask something. Shader, thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. How was your stream? What did you work on? Northern Aviation, thank you very much for the 5 months, by the way. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. It is look path. Okay. Exec look path. Okay, so I look for the command. If it has an error, then return error is equal to nil. Okay, that means that if the error is nil, then it does not, or then it's fine. Okay, let me do that. And we'll look for editor. That's what I thought. And then I was like, I can't read, I think. I'm gonna be honest. Extreme brain disruption is real. Yeah, for real. I feel like I get mid-thought and then I forget, and then I look at chat for a second and it's gone forever. Wait, what do you actually give me? Searches for an executable name file in the directories provided by path. See, okay, I'm gonna be honest. This never works for me. Is it, wait, leader GX? Leader, something. I don't remember how to open this. It's fine. I didn't need to anyway, but it would be helpful if I knew how to do that. TBH. It was look path. Oh, it returns the path to it. Okay. I see, I see. See, I wish if it had an example like this that it would also show that in the hover tooltip. For what it's worth. Shader. Wait, did it work? It worked. It worked. I'm making a 2e/DApp server client in one binary for my language named Ink. Wait, that's sick. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, chat is so distracting. I say streaming is 3 to 5 times the work at least. Instead of just sitting and vibing in a coffee shop or on the couch. Yeah, oh, 100%. Your brain is just like gone forever. I should make a README. Yeah, do it, do it. I will say if you're feeling lazy, AI is pretty good at explaining your projects from source to a README with examples. All right, if error does not equal nil, then executable, it doesn't exist. What do we want to do here? Well, if it is nil, then I could get some. I could just say this not found on path, set editor environment variable. I think that's the easiest, most low-hanging fruit right now. And then this is the easiest thing I could possibly do. And then I can go, exist on path, please set editor. In your env. Okay, and then that will be something like that. So sorry, using for a bit. Uh-oh. No, don't fallback exit. I do actually also have to have it exit. Because otherwise I'm not gonna be able to. Hold on. Is it error F or fatal F? Wait, do you have a fatal F? All right, I'll do that. And then in theory, none of that stuff happens. We'll see. What do you do? Yeah, with formatting and exit. Okay, cool. We try again. Okay, so, well, it's not panicking. Okay, it's not panicking because I'm ignoring the front matter. Dea, thank you very much for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. Thank you. I use built-in cam on my laptop, which sucks because of the quality. It fits the mediocre vibes I feel. For what it's worth, if you have, actually, it doesn't even matter if you're using a MacBook. I was going to say if you have a MacBook, you can use a continuity camera and use your phone as your camera. But you can actually, if you have a better quality phone camera than your built-in webcam, you can actually use Droid Cam and like plug. You can. It doesn't even have to be on Mac OS. So you can. I for a while was streaming from my Linux machine using an old iPhone, and it was actually pretty good, pretty decent camera quality. And you just use Droid Cam. You just have it like you just basically plug in the phone. And then you can use it as a webcam source. It's good. I highly recommend. But I would say audio is more important. Even then, I think I did have a dedicated microphone at that point, but you could even use the built-in microphone if you have like an old iPhone or something laying around. You can use Droid Cam. You can use it as a camera and the microphone, and it'll probably be like decent. Because they have pretty okay built-in mics. Like I'm always surprised. That is also part of why I got a MacBook like years back when I was looking at getting a laptop and I was trying to figure out which one to get. There's part of why I went with a MacBook is because I was like, okay, I will probably want to be able to stream from this. And I wanted to get a kind of like higher end built-in specs in case I was on the go. And yeah, and wanted to be able to stream. Like the built-in microphone for my Mac is actually pretty freaking decent. And the webcam is okay. I feel like webcams are always kind of bad. I use a phone as camera. It's good. Yeah, it is good. 100%. Also, I'm going to be so for real. I don't think that those like the DSLR cameras or like the fancy cameras that you can get for streaming are worth it. I'm currently using a Sony ZV-E10. It's kind of similar to the Canon or was it, I don't know, the whatever G7X, where it's just kind of supposed to be like a point and shoot kind of thing. This one is so good for creators. I actually think it's amazing because there is an app where you can control it with your phone. And it's like the auto, I think the auto white balance is pretty decent, and the auto ISO settings and stuff. Because I just found with my previous cameras, like with any DSLR, like fancy cameras that I had, you had to do so much fine tuning. And if anything changed in your setup, it was like a problem. It was such a pain. You had to like really get to know all of the things, all of the goings on with cameras to get it looking decent. And then, yeah, if anything changed in your setup ever, it was a pain in the butt. And you needed so much light. As long as it doesn't overheat, yeah, for real. Here, I should update. Let me update my camera command, actually. Yeah, phones. Honestly, though, like we were finding at the tower that because like you don't have full control over the light in a room like that. So we were actually finding that the iPhone cameras were doing the best at like adapting to the different light conditions and stuff. So it's pretty good. I have a mic and can use my AirPods or other Bluetooth headphones I have. Oh, nice. Nice. Are these blog posts real or just placeholders? These are real. I wrote these. Yeah, these are real. I just haven't published them. / I don't even know how far along I got in a lot of these. I'm going to be so for real. Oh, right. Okay. So I wanted to do that. I needed to do help, and then I wanted to run, I think it was when I ran edit config. New of them doesn't exist on paths. Please set editor in your env. Nice. Maybe I should make it like, you know what? Yeah, it doesn't matter. Being able to slap an iPhone on a MacBook and use a rear camera, the webcam is pretty OP. I mean, that works with Droid Cam too. And it can work with, it doesn't matter what operating system you have, but you're probably talking about the continuity cam in the Apple ecosystem. But yeah, I've used Droid Cam for a while. It was good. Editor is set. It's invalid. Please. Yeah. Good call. You guys are so funny. All right, yeah. It cracks me up because I feel like when I'm watching dub streams, I'm like, I don't know what's going on. I'm here for the vibes. But then sometimes I'm like, I get distracted on stream and I forget where I'm at. And then it's like chat knows better what I'm doing. And I'm like, wait, the heck? Editor will make you, actually, yeah. I mean, should I have a bit of a, part of me is like, do I have a fallback? I'll add that to do. Should I have a fallback here? Actually, maybe I'll add that to my little todos.org thing. Why do I keep opening new tabs? Brother. Please. Stop. Yeah, you. Note. Wait, I think I can do that and then note. Is there a note? No, these are only tasks. Okay. Yes, no. I want to use org. I want to be better. What are we building? Basically like a little blog management slash. It's just like, it's going to statically generate all my blog posts, and it's going to be based on a config file that has what posts should be public. It's going to create a little RSS feed, and it's going to basically render all of the ones that should be public into like as HTML. So yeah. Isn't Vi installed literally everywhere? That's what I'm thinking. So that's part of where I'm like, note, do I want to have a fallback? I mean, Vi is installed pretty much everywhere, but not on Windows machines, right? Do we care? Windows users taking the L once again. Poor Windows users, man. They're getting put through the ringer. They don't got no fun. They get no fun. For what it's worth, I think I should do this, and then also do or error does not equal nil, and then I can put this. Oh, do I have an? Yeah, you're fine. Don't be upset. Hold on. That. So I think what I'll do is I'll just log error and then not make it fatal. If editor, oh wait. Okay, wait, we gotta do it here. If error does not equal nil or that. Is it gonna let me do that? It's not. Okay, it's fine. Oh, sorry, this is probably like too zoomed whatever for you. Hello? Girly? She's lost forever. Yeah, and then there. What's your problem? What error exists? Oh. Why? Hold on. Brain? Not braining. Brain is lost forever. We won't recover. All right, double check that the editor is installed. Okay, so I'm gonna add comments because I'm a little goofy sometimes. All right, check it's installed. And then, that doesn't exist on the path. Set an editor. Okay, I think I can just do this, brother. Beretta. That. Move that. Put it above that. Make it this. Make it that. Make it not garbage. I stole that. And then whatever, we repeat. It's okay. Okay, check it's installed. It's brain. Okay, I think I changed nothing, so it's fine. Okay. Okay, Okay, if it's set. Okay, fall back to Vi. Called it? What happened? Yeah, we'll do fallback. You know what? It's fine. You know what's great is that even if I write disgusting, terrible code on stream, I get to change it whenever I want. Let me check something real quick. Guys, is it so nice? Nah, don't fall back. Wait, you don't think I should fall back to Vi? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? When we're not looking your vibe code, right? Oh, I think I need to do something. I can't remember what. But I had something to do. I had something to do for my vibe coding setup. For what it's worth, there's actually a feature that I want to add to this where I will be using some AI because I'm going to get it to... I know that this feature exists in another project, and I'm going to get AI to look at the other project and tell me how they do it, and then I can watch and learn, listen and learn. If it wasn't me bash stream, if having wasn't customizing the dev experience yet, for real. If it wasn't me breaking stuff, being broken inside. What happened to Rust? We're not starting Rust yet, okay? Not yet. When editor is empty, Vi is cool. I need a set of instructions. You know what? Maybe we should make it Nano. You're right. If we fall back to Vi, maybe it should be Nano. Nano is always installed. Vi is, I think, also always installed. But Nano at least has instructions on how to exit Nano. Vi does not have instructions on how to leave. You're just stuck. Then what if they have to restart? Yeah, wait. What if they got to restart their machine because they get stuck in Vi? All right, we go Nano. Also, me writing this in 2 places is fine. It's fine. I think I'm going to change this later because I think I could just do this. Hold on. These noobs. I know. It's okay to do. I'll just look at my commit later. It's fine. I'll clean it up. It's fine. Tersimpi, thank you very much for the tier 1. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Subscribe for the Nano decision. Wow. I remember when I first learned to like exit Nano, I felt so sick. Windows only fallback to Notepad. I'll add it to my to-do list. Yes, Nano. And then also Windows Notepad. I don't know what Windows users use. Debian's children use Nano. The comment still says Vi. Oh, okay, well. Fallback. How about now? How do you like that? Okay, easy. Do I want to have a fallback? And we're just going to say done. Okay. This HTML command outputs the published posts in config.yaml. I don't recall if this works. I also think I need to take a look. Oh, right. I wanted to do the edit config file first so that it's easier to be able to tweak things easily because I'm a lazy girl. I want to be able to edit my config. There's nothing in here. I think I just need to do like public and then it's, I think it just checks the name. You know what? I think I have an example of this. Yeah, we're going to save it. Hello? Oh, wait. It opened Nano in Emacs. Oh, okay. We're good. No, we're okay. I just had to get in. Oh, wait. Are we okay? Oh, are we? I need to go in insert mode. Let me in insert mode. Uh-oh. Let me exit. Let me leave. Uh-oh. Let me out. I'm stuck forever. No, I shouldn't have run this. It's fine. I can just delete the buffer. I'm gonna kill it. Whoops. Note to self, don't do that. I have in my README some examples, I believe. Me with my little noises made on stream. Okay, so this is the thing. Notepad guaranteed to be installed because Windows installs if other owner. Can't exit from Nano. Who knew? Wait, I didn't know. I didn't realize it would be a trick move to update it from what's it called? Hold on, I gotta double check my schedule for a sec. I have to go. But that's so funny. I think that's actually so funny because I feel like we were actually about to do some real coding right now. But it's okay. You guys got a slight taste. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Okay. So it just needs to be blog and that. I think there should be a default config as well. I think should have a default like example config stuff. If none exists. Who are we gonna raid? I don't know. Ask the mods. Mods, who do you want to raid? / be able to like, I want to be able to generate, or it'd be cool if I could like open a temp file, or like, or just like copy a basic thing to clipboard, something where I can just like paste it in an existing thing. Idea. I'm gonna label this idea. Raid Bash Bunny? Oh. I'll be live tomorrow. We'll be back. Where is Twitch? Okay. Sorry, you guys got debated with the coding today. It's fine. Oh, wait. One of my friends is streaming. You can raid them. Gonna raid a friend. Okie dokie. Thanks for hanging out. YouTube, you are going nowhere. The stream just ends for you. Thank you all very much for any and all support, for being here, for the good vibes, for your patience with my first day looking at code in months. Thank you for all of the subs. Thank you for all of the raids. Thank you for all the kindness. I appreciate it. I will do my best to pay it forward, and I hope that you guys all pay it forward as well. Okie dokes. I'll see you guys next time. Go give Scootish a lot of love for me, please. Give him all the bash love emotes if you can, or just little hearts, and say bash raid. Okay, that's the goal. Okay? Toxic Bunny stream next stream. Okay, listen. I gotta fix my graphics card, which is lower on the priority list, but I do want to do some gaming collab streams soon. So we'll be doing some gaming soon, but just not quite yet. Yeah, I gotta fix my graphics card situation. Anyway, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. This was a great stream. It was a nice little dipping my toes in the water, getting back into coding world. I'll probably do a little bit of coding off stream later, and I would appreciate you guys. Thank you. Go, please give lots of love to Scootish. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye forever.